Good morning, friends. This is my next video on the topic coordination. It is a very important topic, so let us first of all discuss about the word coordination. What do you mean by this? Coordination, like all the functions of the management, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. This is also another function of management which is required to run an organization. This is known as the coordination. Coordination is also being known as an essence of management. Why? Because to run an organization, we need somebody to bind itself. जहाँ पे एक डिपार्टमेंट, एक कंपनी, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक एम्प्लॉयज, हर एक इंडिविजुअल आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ में जुड़ा हुआ है. That is due to the work of and the word of coordination. Let us take a very simple example. To run a school, we need a coordination between teaching staff, accountant staff, transport department, principal office, and each and everybody, because everybody is dependent upon each other. That is the word is known as the coordination, because without coordination, no organization can exist for a long period of time. Many big multinational companies have come to an end because they are not into the consideration of coordination. That's why coordination is a very important essence of management. And it also has given a very beautiful word. It synchronizes the different activities. Synchronizes means where are different activities being run in an organization. It comes into a binding structure of coordination. अलग अलग काम को एक तरीके से पिरो देना, बांध देना, ताकि वो ज्वाइन होके एक साथ काम कर सके, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कोऑर्डिनेशन. Because without coordination, no company can work smoothly, no company can work efficiently, no company can work effectively. To give a very smoothing culture, effective culture, and efficient culture, we need the concept of coordination. So this was the definition of coordination. And coming to the next topic of this is importance of coordination. Why coordination is very so important in an organization? So let us take the point number one. The point number one is growth in size. Let us take an example. This is a small triangle. Here there are 3 employees working in this organization. As the triangle increases, 10 employees, more increases 20, more increases 100. So let us take the thing. Initially we have 3 employees, then we come up to the 100, which means when the company increases, number of employees also increases. But along with the employees, the personal objective of each and individual also increases. Because personal objective of every employee is to get a very high amount of salary, wealth satisfaction, initial satisfaction. So which means if the companies increases, employees increases, and the personal goal also increases. But students, let us also think about this. अगर number of employees बढ़ जाएंगे तो कंपनी के गोल की तरफ सब जने फोकस नहीं कर पाते. Which means अगर सबके पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अलग-अलग हो जाएंगे, कंपनी के गोल तक नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. In this way, the coordination helps each and every individual to complete their personal goal and to focus around the group goal. इसलिए वो क्या कहता है, जैसे ग्रोथ ऑफ साइज हो जाता है कंपनी का, तभी नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज बढ़ते हैं, तो उनको ग्रुप गोल की तरफ ले जाने का काम किसका है? कोऑर्डिनेशन. ओनली देन द कॉमन गोल कैन बी achieved. Coming to the second point of the importance is functional differentiation. No organization can work in isolation. No organization can work as an individual in isolation. It needs the dependent upon each other. हर एक जने को एक दूसरे की जरूरत है. In an organization there are different functions. So let us take the 4 functions. Most important: purchase function, production function, marketing function, finance function. क्या परचेज, प्रोडक्शन आपस में एक दूसरे के बिना रह सकते हैं? नहीं. प्रोडक्शन और मार्केटिंग के बिना आपस में रह सकते हैं अकेले? नहीं. फाइनेंस इन तीनों के बिना रह सकता है, या ये तीनों फाइनेंस के बिना रह सकते हैं? नो. Everybody can't live in isolation, but they think that we are doing our own work. But let us take an example of this. अगर परचेज डिपार्टमेंट रॉ मटेरियल नहीं परचेज करेगा तो प्रोडक्शन वाले कैसे प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? सेम भी आगे सेल्स कैसे होगी? फिर पैसा कहां से आएगा? फिर पैसा दोबारा मार्केट में कैसे रिवॉल्व होगा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे आएगा? टू कमिंग अप टू दिस एग्जांपल व्हिच मींस फंक्शनल डिफरेंशिएशन, हर एक जना अलग-अलग है, बट दे नीड टू बी डिपेंडेंट अपॉन ईच अदर. इसलिए वो क्या कहते हैं कि कोऑर्डिनेशन बाइंड करता है, इनको बताता है हर एक फंक्शंस को कि आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, यू आर इंटरडिपेंडेंट अपॉन ईच अदर, ओनली देन द कंपनी गोल कैन बी अचीव्ड. Now coming to the third point, specialization. The word specialization means expertness, professionals. You are very well versed in your own work. So in a very large organization there are multiple specialization, अलग-अलग specialization, production specialization, purchase specialization, HR specialization. So coming to this, every department or every individual is specialized in their own way. हर एक जना अपने department में specialized है. बट अगर हर एक जना अपने ही हिसाब से सोचने लग जाएगा, बिकॉज हर एक स्पेशलिस्ट सोचता है, विच मीन्स कि वो ये देखते हैं कि मेरा जो डिसीजन है वही सबसे बेस्ट है. टू कमिंग टू दिस, अगर वो सारे जने ऐसे ही सोचने लग गए तो कंपनी के अंदर कोई भी सेम डायरेक्शंस में काम नहीं करेगा. ओनली एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम द पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, दैट इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन, binds all the specialist minds into one direction to achieve the goal. इसलिए उन सबको, उन सारे स्पेशलिस्ट को बोलता है कि आपको एक साथ ही काम करना है, आपको अपनी मनमर्जी नहीं करनी. So this is the concept of the coordination. So I am just giving you a recap. It was the definition of coordination. The second concept is importance of coordination. The first point was growth in the size. Second was functional differentiation, and the third one is specialization. So thank you so much guys. It was my video on the topic coordination. Do visit my next video. Thank you.